today we are going to do a family bike ride. Our dad actually fixed up our bikes for us, so we're going to see how that goes. We're not really bike riders, but we'll see what happens.
Yeah, and we'll take you along with us.
Technical difficulties.
No, Dad, no.
I am not bike fit at all. And we made it. Jeepers. That was hectic. Okay, so Lisa decided to run. Oh.
Jody. Tara.
We are not built for this. Whew. Dying silently inside. Will not tell Dad. Some of us are netball players. There's a farm. This is hilarious. Uh-huh. Lisa, what are you doing? Can you look at me or you're gonna fall over? How's the JaKaL? You guys good?
Sorry. Hello, guys.
This is terrifying.
You guys look so weird on there.
Thank you.
We hope that you guys enjoyed the video and see you soon.